Want to take control of your Liondesk data, whether that is backing it up or unlocking valuable insights? Let's dive into exporting data from Liondesk. This tutorial will show you how to export different types of information. First, let's grab those crucial contact details. Click on Contacts from the main navigation menu. You will see your contact list displayed. Next, find the Bulk Actions button, usually on the top right of the contact list. After clicking Bulk Actions, a drop-down will appear. Choose Export. Now you'll see export options. You can export all contacts, filtered contacts, or selected contacts depending on your needs. All contacts exports your entire database to a CSV file. Filtered contacts allows you to export custom filtered lists, and selected contacts is for exporting specific contact records. Select one, then click the Export button. The system will need time to generate the file. You will either see a download or a progress bar. The export time depends on the records you are exporting. The exported file, usually in a CSV format, will contain all the requested information. You can open the CSV file using software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You can use the data for backups, migration, or deeper analysis. What about your notes and interactions? The process will vary, but the workflow will be similar. You may need to view an individual contact's profile. Most will include the ability to export from that individual profile if it exists. Use the export function from there the same way we mentioned before. You can now analyze your notes and interactions the same way you did with your contacts data. Congratulations! You've just learned how to export your data from Liondesk. Now go forth and put those insights to work.